I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day, like day by day.
Hello beautiful, welcome back. Today I have this very easy Valentine's Day makeup inspired. Actually, I wore this makeup look in my Look Fantastic unboxing video. I feel like it's so festive ready because of the glitters, and that's why I feel like it's so perfect for Valentine's Day as well. And also it's super easy to achieve. I used like 3-4 eyeshadows. You will see in the video how easy this is to achieve. And yeah, I also give you 2 lip options. This fiery red one, which I really like, but I'm a nude girl, so I'm giving you a nude lipstick option as well, affordable too. And yeah, if you guys are interested to see how I achieve this makeup look, then keep on watching. Alright, so I just curled my hair. I'm not gonna braid the curls right now. I'm going to let them sit. And I'm going to first do my face makeup, my eye makeup, and then I'm going to break the curls and make my hair a little bit more fluffy. I know it looks a little bit weird right now, but it will look better. Okay? So I'm going to try to not break the curls, but I want to put my hair away from my face because I don't want to get foundation and bronzer and all that stuff. I'm going to zoom you closer in a little bit, but first I'm going to show you what I'm going to use on my eyes. So I'm going to use again the Tati Beauty Eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use only 2 shades from this palette. I'm going to use the Matte Suit and Matte Ritual, and then I'm going to apply this Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. This is in the shade Kitten Karma. So basically this is all I'm going to apply on my eyelid. So let's start. Okay, so I'm going to apply a little bit of the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer on my lids. You can apply whatever you want. Eyeshadow base, concealer. Okay, so first I'm going to start with Matte Suit, and I'm going to build this in my crease. Make sure you buff this very well. You'll see how easy this makeup look is to achieve. And I'm going to extend the eyeshadow on the outer corner because I want that cat eye effect. Alright, I think we're done with Suit. Next I'm going to take this type of brush. This is a little bit more flat, more dense. And I'm going to take the color Ritual, and I'm going to create like a V on my outer corner right here. You see, I'm going to do this V. Okay? And I'm going to slowly blend this out. And also I'm going to go closer to my inner corners because, as I said, I want to achieve that cat eye effect. Going back with the first brush and buff this out. Picking a little bit more of Ritual.
I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day, like day by day.
Next I'm going to take the Stila Glitter Glow eyeshadow, and I'm going to put some on the back of my hand because this dries very quick and I don't want to dry this out. So I'm going to take out some product. I hope you can see. Alright. This is so beautiful, so mesmerizing. And I'm going to take this small detail flat brush. This is a Wet n Wild brush. I think this is the concealer brush, I don't know exactly. But I use this brush all the time to cut the crease, to apply the eyeshadow, the shimmery eyeshadow. So I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to pick some product, and slowly I'm going to pack it right in the center of the lid. And slowly I'm going to create this cut crease, but without using the concealer to cut the crease. So take your time, you don't want to be very slappy with this, because as we can see, it's so glittery and you can go wrong in a second. So take your time.
In October, it feels like summertime. I keep falling for you like
And this looks already perfect, but I'm going to take a little bit more of the Stila eyeshadow because this already dried on the back of my hand. And I'm going to try to perfect that just a little bit.
ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow.
Alright, and that's it. This is the eye makeup look. I'm going to do the same on my other eye and I'm going to be right back. Alright, for now that's it for the eyes. I'm going to come back to them a little bit later. Next I'm going to do my face makeup and I'm just going to show you what products I'm using and apply them on my face. I'm not gonna tag because I still want this video to be short, so let's do that. I'm going to insert a cute song and zoom you a little bit out so you can see my face.
Red and orange sorbet, like it is the best yet. In October, it feels like summertime. I keep falling for you like every night. Been communicating through satellites, yeah. It's black and white. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day. I've been on my way up, now it's really far down. I don't think I'll feel it when I hit the ground.
Okay, going back to the eyes, I'm going to take again this flat brush, and again I'm going to take Ritual, and it's the darkest brown in the palette, and I'm going to connect my bottom lash line with the top. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but with the sponge I tried to clean a little bit this line to make it look a little bit more perfect, even though I haven't tried. So I'm going to smoke out my bottom lash line, and you can totally skip this step, like it's up to you, but I like it a little bit more smoky. Sorry you guys, I forgot to press the record button, but I was just highlighting my brow bone and my inner corner with a metallic aura. So I'm going to do the same on this eye. Alright, next I'm going to apply my favorite lashes, Ardell Demi Wispies. No, these are the Wispies, and I'm going to be right back. You can totally do a very thin wing liner or just to line your eyes to hide the band of the lashes, but since I'm going to use lashes with invisible band, I don't need the liner, you know what I mean? I could totally do the liner, but I'm going to skip it because I want to keep this as simple as possible. Alright, so I just applied them. Oh wow, my hair looks crazy back here. So I just applied the lashes and a little bit of mascara, and also I pinched all the lashes together with this lash curler, whatever this is. Next I'm going to, so basically this is it. We only have to do the lips now, and for the lips I have two options, a nude pinkish type of color, and then I have a bold red color. So yeah, these are the eyes. I feel like it's super festive ready because of the glitter obviously, and also it's super easy to achieve. Like I just applied 3 eyeshadows and this glitter and the lashes and you're ready to go. So yeah, let's do the lips now. So I'm going to start with the nude lipstick, and I'm going to use this Catrice lip foundation liner, and I'm going to overdraw my top lip because I want them to appear more juicy, more big. Okay. And I still have a little bit of foundation on my lips, I really don't care. Next I'm going to go with the Pro Lipstick Bare in the shade Sooner or Later. This is from Makeup Revolution or Revolution Pro. Alright, this is the nude option. Let me just fix my hair now. My hair doesn't want to cooperate. I think I need to redo some curves up here because it looks flat. But yeah, this is the nude lipstick. I really like the nude lipstick. I'm a nude type of girl. I rarely do red lips, but you know, to give you more options. So this will be my go-to. And for the red lipstick option, I have this Morphe set. This is the Out and About Fiery Red Lip Trio. So it comes with 3 products. I just purchased this. I haven't used this before. So it comes, as I said, with 3 lip products. Lip liner, lipstick, and lip gloss. I think so. This is lip gloss, right? Let me read. Yep. Lipstick, lip gloss, and color pencil. So I noticed that the pencil is slight darker than the lipstick and the lip gloss, but it's okay. And I still have a little bit of nude lip liner, so I'm going to go with the red liner on top of the nude one. Oh, this is in the shade Wild Side. I thought it was a little bit darker. This is a lot harder than I thought. It's very creamy, it glides on the lips, but you have to be careful because the color is so scary. I mean, not really scary. Wow, this looks gorgeous. This is in the shade Hot Shot. Wow, feels creamy. It's glossy. Oh my god, this is beautiful. I don't think I want to apply the lip gloss on top because this is already super shiny. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. As I said, I like more the nude lipstick because I'm a nude lipstick type of girl, but I like the red one too. I feel like it's so fiery, so Valentine's ready. Let me know down below what lip color is your favorite, and have a happy Valentine's Day. I wish you all the best, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah.